Hey, welcome to the series on ChatGPT 4. So, we are going to look at what are the advantages of GPT-3 and GPT-4, what's new in GPT-4, and what are the free ways of accessing GPT-4, and should you get yourself a paid version for GPT-4 if you have specific use cases which are not addressed in the free versions. So, that's what I'll be covering in this video. So, coming to the first one, so at a higher level, why would you need GPT-3 versus GPT-4? So GPT-3 only understands and works with text. GPT-4 can understand pictures and graph. So if it will tell you what's in a photo and figure out what the graph is showing, it can also create captions for your images. So this is useful for content creators or educators who create content for social media. And if you are also a user of plugin for current news as well as browsing the internet, then or if you plan to develop your own custom plugins, then GPT-4 is for you. Then you should be getting GPT-4 premium account. So way to upgrade it is go to upgrade plan here, fill up your credit card info. It will cost you $20 a month in United States. I'm not sure what it would cost in your country. You can look up the pricing for yourself. So if that's the case, then you should be getting GPT-4 if all these use cases fits in. So the other way you can access GPT-4 is PO. PO basically is an aggregator of large language models. So you can use GPT-3 or you can use GPT-4, but there is a catch here. So for GPT-4, you can only use one prompt a day if you are using the free version. So let's basically say cooking, right? So let's ask cooking. So it's giving us the recipe here. And as you can see, it won't allow us to update the images or anything. You can just do text prompts here. So you can't upload images in the free version of GPT-4. You can actually ask anything. So let me ask after this. So how do I prepare a how do I prepare a taco bowl, right? If I ask that, will it give me a recipe here? Okay. Oh yeah, so basically, yeah, so it has completed our free quota, so it won't allow us to use any other additional prompts here. So that's the free prompt, you can use it. The second way is you can go to Bing, and how would you do that? Just type bing.com. So go to Bing here, and in Bing you can actually go to chat now. So this will take you to the new Bing. So in the new Bing, you can actually confirm, are you using GPT-4? And again, with the free version, you can't actually upload images and edit prompts or get a description for a graph. You can only do text here. So yeah, they have given some examples here. How do you generate, can you write a poem for me? So I'm certain you can do most of this with GPT-3. So there is nothing new that Bing provides you for free you can use that you can't do it in GPT-3 here. So it's pretty much the same. So if your use cases are beyond this, so let me also ask it what GPT 4 can do which GPT-3 cannot. So yeah, it's basically a more powerful model trained on a larger data set with capabilities which I just mentioned previously, which were not there in GPT-3, but they still can't do whatever we are looking for. Like if you I'll show you in the next video, wherein with once after I upgrade to GPT-4, I'll show you in the next video what you can do with GPT-4, what you cannot do with which cannot be done in GPT-3 in the follow-up video. But this is the introduction I wanted to provide. If you are just looking for a text usage, I will attach the links. You can use po.com or you can use Bing to access it. But if you are looking at from using it from a professional perspective for content creation or to interpret graphs or some financial data, then you have to upgrade to the premium version of GPT Plus, which you can't be doing. We'll also be covering the use of plugins in the follow-up video. I hope this helps and thank you for joining.